Hello, I'm Heidi Eliopoulos, Superintendent for the School District of Altoona. Thank you for taking the time to view this short screencast about the referendum coming before voters in April. In our last screencast, we reviewed the space and programming needs that were identified through the facility study process. As we considered options to address those needs, we ran into some roadblocks like cost, land availability, and school size. While looking for available space where we could conduct large group meetings or trainings, we uncovered an unexpected opportunity to purchase the NBI building located on McCann Drive here in Altoona. This possible solution is most like the original option 2, which was adding on to the elementary school, or the original option 4 of building a second school on the elementary campus. But it doesn't have some of the same roadblocks that we ran into with those options. In this option, the NBI building would become an early elementary school, housing 4K, kindergarten, and first grade. The intermediate school grades of 4 and 5 would move to the elementary school, so the elementary school would house grades 2 through 5. The main campus would then be just the middle school and high school. Our greatest space and programming needs are at the middle school and high school. This option does address that need. By moving 4th and 5th grade off the main campus, at least 15 classrooms totaling at least 21,000 square feet become available for middle school and high school expansion. Remodeling NBI could allow for expansion of our 4K programming and would cost about 75% of building a brand new school. It would also bring our kindergarten and first grade students to a smaller school setting. Similar to the other options, the total cost of completing all parts of the long-term project would be $72 million and would be broken into smaller phases over time. Our schools ultimately belong to our residents. Before moving forward with a referendum for this project, we needed to understand if this is something our community would support. In November of 2022, we surveyed our community to understand if there's support for purchasing and remodeling the NBI building, for tax support for a building project, and for other projects. The results from the survey told us that our community does support purchasing and remodeling the NBI building. The survey told us that our community would support slightly more than the $23 million, but there was not quite enough support for the $35 million referendum. There was support for a tax impact of 69 cents for every $1,000 of fair market property value. In terms of support for other projects, there is support for completing other projects. We could start some of the high school and middle school remodeling projects, but we do not have enough additional dollars to do all of them while staying within the tax impact that the community will support. Feedback from the survey prioritized the high school and middle school classrooms. The conclusion we drew from the survey results was that we had support to purchase the NBI building, remodel it, and shift the student population. That we had support to begin the first phase of high school and middle school repair, betterment, and remodel. But that we should stay within the boundary of 69 cents per 1,000 fair market value for tax impact. In our next screencast, we'll review how a successful referendum would impact property taxes, and we'll also demonstrate how taxpayers can determine their individual tax costs by looking at their own tax bill.